Okay, so for number one, just to kind of help you out a little bit, when you go to draw vectors in the direction that they need, so the 30 degrees north of east is really the same thing as like what you're thinking of northeast, okay? And anytime you're looking at north of east or north of west or south of west or whatever, and the east or the west is this part, they're talking about that it's measured from the, almost sort of speak, the x-axis. So 30 degrees here, you'd have to do a protractor if you needed the exact angle. But 30 degrees of northeast means it's 30 degrees measured from the east line here. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're measuring this angle with respect. You're not measuring this angle. Okay, you're measuring it from the east line. Now, the 20 degrees west of south is not southwest. Okay, it's west-south, which is kind of a weird saying, but what they're saying is they want you to actually measure that angle from the y-axis or the south line. Okay, so it's west of south, meaning this angle right here. So it's called with respect to the y, not with respect to the x like the first one is. Okay, so you wouldn't be measuring this angle right here. You'd be measuring this angle right here for B. Okay, and number C is north of west, so it's northwest is what you're thinking of. East of north is that, again, that's going to be with respect to the y-axis because it's east of the north. So it would be an angle like here, okay, for D. The last one, or the next one, number 2, which should help you out with the rest of them. I solved, I think, the A part here. This is this, you're drawing everything with respect to the x because they're asking you to do it relative to the x-axis. So think of it as like your west and your east line. This is your main hypotenuse, your resultant vector. This is your x and your y component. So you want to break it down into your trig functions. So this is your sine theta is equal to y divided by 25, right? Because this is your y component. Right here it's the opposite. Rearrange and solve, and then I didn't solve for it. You can put it into your calculator. Cosine theta is equal to x divided by 25. So when you solve for x, which is this part of your triangle, then it should be 25 cosine 25 degree or 25 degrees, sorry. And then again, plug that in and you should get it. And so this would be very similar to the rest of these because it looks like you've given the hypotenuse through these. Anyway, any questions, let me know.